It was good, yaar. Did you come to know anything about Anu? What about her? Her husband was having affair since 1 year and maybe they are about to take divorce now. Hey, what are you saying this? And they had a love marriage, na? Her husband was not like that. That's how we get deceived in such things. Means? That means that we never try to know about our husband's office friends. And he spends all his time there only. Then they will have affair there only, na? No, yaar. Everybody are not the same. And Sanju is not like that. I'm not saying your husband is the same. I'm just saying you should keep an eye on him. You don't know about men. I know all the names of Dushyant's friends, and in front of me, he can't even say a single lie. I don't have to do all this. Sanju loves me a lot. Anu used to think the same. Let's go now. You did shopping very well. Your bag is very pretty, yaar.
Hello, sister-in-law.
Namaste.
Shall we go? Okay, we leave now. Come. Come on. Give me this. Let's go.
Let's go.
Whose call is this?
This. Who is this Ritu?
She is my boss.
But it's off today, na? Why she's calling you?
When I pick up the phone, then I'll know. Maybe she has some work. That's why she's calling me.
But what work she has from you?
Why are you asking me so much questions? Hello? Okay, ma'am. Done. I have to go to the office early tomorrow morning. There is an urgent meeting.
So she has called you only alone.
Not alone. She is also with me.
Means you and she will be alone and no one else would be there in the office?
What has happened to you? You are asking so many questions. Why are you doubting on me? That's why I told you not to meet with Swara. Every time you meet her, she feeds this kind of thing into your mind.
Really? I should not meet my friends? Like your friends are really good?
You can meet with all your friends, but don't meet with this Swara. She has not called only me. She has also called Dushyant. When we were standing there, Dushyant got a call too. We all have to go.
Okay, fine.
Shall we go now?
Let's go.
Dushyant, come, I'll drop you. Coming. Hello?
What, hello? Where are you right now?
Man, I'm coming, man. I'm little late. Coming. What happened? Is everything fine? What fine, man? Nowadays, Ria has started doubting on me on every small thing. If I get even late, she starts asking me, where are you? What are you doing? Through a video call, ask me that who I am with, what are you doing? I don't know what has happened. Can I tell you something? These women only doubt us when something is going on in their own lives. What are you saying, brother? I am saying that what I have seen. I'm just saying that you should keep a little eye on sister-in-law. See what she does all day. Wait a minute. Yes? Yeah, I'm on the way. I'm just coming. Let's go, brother. Come on. Oh, man.
Hey, you are here?
Yes.
Sit. I will bring coffee for you.
Okay.
Let me check.
Look, I'm just saying that you should keep a close eye on sister-in-law.
Yes, tell me.
I have been calling you for a long time. Why are you not picking up the call? Hey? Who is he and why is he calling you?
I don't know.
Man, you yourself called me to this address. You called him? It means you know him.
I don't know him, Sanju.
Now you're lying to me too. Hey, brother, who are you? And why are you talking like this to her? Now you will teach me that how to talk and how to not. I'll teach.
Sanju? Wait for a while.
I should wait? Eh? You yourself calling your boyfriend home behind my back and you keep doubting on me. Eh? You know, because of you, I haven't even looked at any girl. So many beautiful girls want to flirt with me in the office, but I haven't seen anyone. You know that? Only because of your fear. And you are the one having an affair.
Sanju, what are you saying this? Just wait for a minute. Brother, tell me who are you and why have you come here and why were you calling me?
Man, you people are very strange. You forgot about things after ordering it. I bought your order. You told me that I would be at home. So come, and you are not picking up the phone.
Thank you, brother.
Welcome.
Yeah? So pretty girls flirt with you, na? Come inside. I will just tell
No,
you.
no, I was just saying that,
No, come with me.
I was just joking. It's nothing like that,
No, I was not joking. Come with me inside.
Hey, you just listen to. I'm sorry. I
Come
just not saying
now.
anything.